Do your knees hurt or feel stiff when you stand up from a chair or when you walk or use the stairs? Do you feel pain after sitting for a long time? If yes, please know that you are not alone. Many people over the age of 60 experience knee pain, stiffness, and weakness. Most people believe this is just a normal part of aging, and they accept the pain as something they must live with. But the truth is very different. With the right gentle exercises, you can reduce knee pain, improve strength, and move more comfortably again. I have helped many seniors just like you regain confidence in their walking and daily activities. These exercises are safe, slow, and easy to do. You do not need special equipment. You can do them at home using a chair for support. If you stay consistent, you can help your knees feel stronger, more stable, and more comfortable. Before we begin, I want you to remember something very important. Safety always comes first. Please move slowly and gently. Never force your body into painful positions. Mild discomfort or muscle effort is normal, but sharp or sudden pain is not normal. If you feel sharp pain, stop immediately and rest. Always breathe normally. Do not hold your breath during the exercises. Keep your shoulders relaxed and your body calm. If you feel weak or unsteady, use a chair for support. These exercises are designed to help you, not to strain you. If you have severe medical conditions, recent surgery, or severe joint damage, please consult your doctor or physiotherapist before starting. Moving safely helps protect your joints and allows your muscles to grow stronger without injury. Now let us begin with gentle warm-up exercises. Warm-up is very important. It prepares your muscles, improves blood flow, and reduces stiffness. The first warm-up exercise is ankle pumps. Sit comfortably on a chair with your back straight and both feet flat on the floor. Slowly lift your toes upward while keeping your heels on the ground. Then slowly lower your toes and lift your heels. Move in a slow and smooth motion. Breathe normally. Repeat this movement 10 times. This exercise improves blood circulation and gently activates the muscles that support your knees. The second warm-up exercise is seated knee bends. Sit on a chair. Slowly slide one foot backward under the chair as far as comfortable. Then slowly slide it forward again. Move slowly and gently. Do not rush. Breathe normally. Repeat this movement 10 times for each leg. This exercise improves knee flexibility and reduces stiffness. The third warm-up exercise is gentle seated marching. Sit tall in your chair. Slowly lift one foot slightly off the floor, then lower it. Then lift the other foot. Move slowly like gentle marching. Repeat 10 times on each side. This helps wake up your leg muscles and prepares your knees for the main exercises. Now we will begin the main exercises that help strengthen your knees. The first exercise is seated knee extension. Sit on a chair with your back straight. Slowly straighten one leg in front of you. Lift it until your knee is straight but not locked. Hold for 3 seconds while breathing normally. Then slowly lower your leg back down. Repeat this 8 times on each leg. Rest if needed. This exercise strengthens the muscles on the front of your thigh. These muscles support your knee joint and reduce pain during walking and standing. The second exercise is heel slides. Sit on the chair or lie on your bed. Slowly slide your heel backward toward your body. Bend your knee gently. Then slowly slide your heel forward and straighten your leg. Repeat this 10 times on each leg. This exercise improves knee flexibility and helps reduce stiffness. The third exercise is sit to stand. Sit on a chair with your feet flat on the floor. Place your hands on the chair or your thighs for support. Slowly stand up, use your legs as much as possible. Then slowly sit back down. Move in a slow and controlled way. Repeat 5 to 8 times. Rest if needed. This exercise strengthens your thighs, knees, and hips. It helps improve your ability to stand and walk safely. The fourth exercise is straight leg raise. Sit or lie comfortably. Keep one leg bent and the other leg straight. Slowly lift the straight leg a few inches off the surface. Hold for 3 seconds. Then slowly lower it down. Repeat 8 times on each leg. This strengthens the thigh muscles without putting stress on the knee joint. The fifth exercise is supported mini knee bends. Stand behind a chair and hold it for support. Slowly bend your knees slightly. Do not bend too much. Then slowly straighten your knees. Repeat 8 times. This exercise strengthens your knee muscles and improves balance. Please remember to rest for a few seconds between exercises. Listen to your body. Slow and gentle movement is the key. Now I want to talk about some common mistakes people make. Many people move too fast. Fast movement can strain your joints. Always move slowly and smoothly. Another mistake is holding your breath. Always breathe normally. Some people push through pain. This is not safe. Pain is your body's warning signal. Also, keep good posture. Sit straight and avoid slouching. Good posture helps your muscles work correctly. I want to encourage you from my heart. Improvement takes time. Your muscles need time to grow stronger. Your joints need time to become more flexible. Even small progress is very valuable. These exercises help you stay independent. They help you walk, stand, and move safely. They help you enjoy your daily life with less pain. The most important thing is consistency. Do these exercises regularly, even if it is just a few minutes each day. Your future self will thank you. Your body is capable of improving at any age. Many of my patients over 60, 70, and even 80 years old have improved their strength and reduced their pain through these gentle exercises. You can do it too. Be patient with yourself. Be kind to your body. If you found these exercises helpful, continue practicing them daily. Share your experience in the comments. Your feedback can help others feel motivated. You may also explore more gentle exercise videos designed especially for seniors. Staying active is one of the best gifts you can give yourself. Your health is in your hands. Stay active, stay safe, and stay strong.